everybody, my name is Shreya Sudhir Chaure. I am in the 7th standard. The name of my school is Jilla Parishad Primary School, Irla, Taluka and District Dharashiv. Today I present spelling bee activity.
Sing.
S-I-N-G, sing means गाणे.
Dance.
D-A-N-C, dance means नाचणे.
Play.
P-L-A-Y, play means खेळणे.
Sway.
S-W-A-Y, sway means डोलणे.
Owl.
O-W-L, owl means घुबड.
Please.
P-L-E-A-S-E, please means कृपया.
Gift.
G-I-F-T, gift means भेटवस्तू.
Broke.
B-R-O-K-E, broke means तुटले.
Find.
F-I-N-D, find means शोधणे.
Fly.
F-L-Y, fly means उडणे.
Better.
B-E-T-T-E-R, better means चांगले.
Sorry.
S-O-R-R-Y, sorry means माफ करा.
Duty.
D-U-T-Y, duty means कर्तव्य.
Gym.
G-Y-M, gym means व्यायामशाळा.
Strong.
S-T-R-O-N-G, strong means बलवान.
Tall.
T-A-W-L, tall means उंच.
Long.
L-O-N-G, long means लांब.
Short.
S-H-O-R-T, short means छोटा.
Ripe.
R-I-P, ripe means पिकलेले.
Elephant.
E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant means हत्ती.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.